Okay, hi everyone. Today again we'll see a थोड़ा एक concept देखते हैं. Lot of students did mistake here, so I want to discuss this. It is regarding the strength of the Supreme Court judge, right? Supreme Court judges. ठीक है ना? अब the way I have framed this statement, it will give you the entire picture of this. Okay? इसके बाद any question regarding this topic, you will never do wrong here. Okay, so that's why framework of the question is important here and for you also to understand. अगर आप देखो यहाँ पे the very first statement says the constitution has given power to the parliament to increase the number of Supreme Court judges. अब in the first statement the only difficulty you are seeing here is the constitution has given power to the parliament. First of all, the power is given by the constitution or not. First, सबसे पहला डाउट ये. Now write all the doubts you have. The constitution has power to increase the number of judges or not. So first part is constitution has power or not. Okay. Now the second doubt is that constitution has given power to the parliament or not. तो parliament को दिया है या नहीं दिया है. Okay, this is second doubt. Now in the second statement, if you see here, the Supreme Court Number of Judges Act 1957 for the first time provided for the maximum number of judges to be 10. So I think this act is very common. Now this 10 is a doubt. ये 10 होगा कि नहीं. Okay, I'm just taking out the important doubts you will have in this total question. Now the third statement here, the above act has been amended twice since its enactment. So this twice is a doubt. ठीक है. Now there are 4 doubts. Basically, I will just consider. I'm not considering you as a अभी स्कूल से आए हो पढ़ के. No, I'm just like you are an student, average student. Okay. तो these are the 4 common doubts here. अब आप जब statement को देखोगे and it's simply learn from the constitution. It's very important. I always say that learn from the constitution. Now the constitution has given power to the parliament or not. If you see here, the article 1 to 4. Okay? Now what you see in article 1 to 4, there shall be Supreme Court consisting of Chief Justice of India, okay, CJI, not and okay, until parliament by law prescribe the largest number. तो देखो constitution has given power to the parliament. Parliament has power to prescribe the larger number of judges. ठीक है. So consisting of chief justice of not more than 7 other judges. Okay. तो 7 plus 1 8 is the number given by the constitution. ठीक है. ये original constitution ने दिया. Okay. And parliament को power दिया. So here if you see the very first statement, yes, the parliament has power to increase the number of. This is the first statement is correct. Okay. Now दूसरा आप देखो यहाँ पे, as you see here in the article, what it is written, the parliament by law will prescribe. Parliament by law will prescribe. So what does parliament did? Parliament enacted which act? Supreme Court Number of Judges Act 1956. Okay. Now when it enacted first act, so why the parliament is enacting this act? To increase the number of judges. Originally it is 8. Now it want to increase it to increase more, right? Up more requirement hai. So parliament by law will do as prescribed by the constitution. So parliament has enacted this act. Now I have asked you that first time when the parliament enacted this act, it has increased the maximum number of judges to 10. Originally it was 8. Now first time it increased to 10. Okay. Now this is an important, आपको याद रखना है कि फर्स्ट टाइम कितना किया, सेकेंड टाइम कितना किया, थर्ड टाइम. नाउ द अबव एक्ट, दिस एक्ट हैज बीन अमेंडेड ट्वाइस सिंस इट्स इनैक्टमेंट. तो आपको ये बेसिक सेंस होना चाहिए. आप बैठ के काउंट नहीं करने लगना 1 2 3, ये भी याद रखना पड़ेगा कितनी बार अमेंड हुआ. बेसिक चीज है. अगर ओरिजिनल 7 है और करेंटली 34 है, करेंटली इट इज 34 नंबर ऑफ जजेस, राइट. तो इसको लाने के लिए 7 to 34 ऑब्वियसली टू इनेक्टमेंट इज नॉट एन ईजी, 1956 से लेकर 2024, ओके, सो इट हैज बीन मोर देन काइंड ऑफ 70-80। तो आप उतने सालों में सिर्फ 2 बार इनेक्ट किया मैक्सिमम नंबर, बेसिक सेंस से आपको ये गलत करना है। दिस इज द बेसिक सेंस यू हैव टू यूज। अगर इतना भी सेंस नहीं यूज करोगे, और ये गेस वर्क होता है, ये सारे गेस वर्क ही होते हैं, राइट? तो आपको ये जो सेकेंड थर्ड स्टेटमेंट हमारा ये इनकरेक्ट है, बिकॉज ट्वाइस तो नहीं होगा। जब 7 से 34 आया है तो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी वेरी इजी थिंग, राइट? तो यहां पे आपको अगर एग्जैक्ट नॉलेज भी नहीं पता है तब भी आप यू विल ट्राई टू यूज सच काइंड ऑफ सेंस, ठीक है? अब सेकेंड जो क्वेश्चन है इसका आपको 100% आपको पता होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज इट्स अ फैक्चुअल स्टेटमेंट, दिस इज मस्ट यू शुड नो कि 10 था कि नहीं था। नाउ इफ यू सी द सॉल्यूशन हियर, इट्स सिंपल हियर, एंड द आंसर इज बी, ओनली 2। द थर्ड इज इनकरेक्ट, second to third is already incorrect, second and the first are the correct statement. Now if you see the solution, अब देखो सबसे पहले 10 आया, फिर नंबर ऑफ जज को अमेंड किया, फिर कितना किया, 17 किया, देन अमेंड किया अगेन, एंड देन इट मीन्स टू 25, एंड देन फाइनली 30, एंड देन इन द लास्ट 33, एक्सक्लूडिंग मतलब इंक्लूडिंग 34। सो 5 टाइम्स अमेंड हुआ है अभी तक, इट्स नॉट ट्वाइस। So this is an important concept. अभी भी आप देखो, yesterday it was in news that now the last judges, I think Supreme Court judge was appointed yesterday, and total 34 has been filled. Okay, तो अब इनको अगर 36 करना है, again this act will be amended. ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि 36 कर दिया, इस एक्ट को अमेंड करना पड़ेगा, then they will increase to 36. ठीक है ना? So the power to increase has been given to the parliament, neither the judiciary nor the executive body, right? तो इस चीज का आप ध्यान रखोगे कि how the number of Supreme Court judges are increased and what is the concept there. Okay, चलो।